everybody, welcome back to the Smoke Midwest YouTube channel. I'm Scott, and today we have a little bit different type of video for you. We are going to be making some jalapeno garlic chicken wings over the campfire. It's going to be good. Alright, so we got some store-bought chicken wings here, and I have a fire going, have a pretty good sized fire going. The flame tips are just about up to the grate. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and put the chicken wings on first. This fire is hot, which is good because it's going to have some nice crispy skin on the chicken. So just space them out evenly. Get those that are stuck together apart. So the next, what we're going to do, season it up with the Smoke Midwest jalapeno garlic rub. And depending on how spicy you want is how much you want to put on. So you want a mild amount of spice, and so we'll go fairly medium on the wings. The nice, get them all coated well. So we're going to let these go a little bit till they get brown and crispy on one side, then we're going to flip them over and re-season them. We'll see you soon. The wings have been on about 10 minutes, and we're going to flip them over and give them check them out. As I was talking to you earlier about the fire, I want the tips just about to the bottom of the chicken, about to the grate, so that way you get nice color on your chicken, and yet it still cooks in a, good amount of time. Any less than that, your chicken's going to take forever to cook, and if you have your flames too high, it's just going to burn it up and keep the inside raw. So flip them over. They're looking good so far. And yeah, it's campfire cooking, so you're going to have a few that are a little bit more done than the others, which is fine, just like grilling. Fire is going. Alright, so now that we got them flipped over, we're going to give one more season of the jalapeno garlic rub. Put a nice coat on there. We're going to let them go till they're crispy on the other side. We'll see you in about 5-10 minutes. Alright, so our wings have been on about another 10 minutes, so about 20-25 minutes total. And the skin is nice and crispy, and so they're definitely done, so we're going to pull them off. Skin is crispy as can be. Nice little char on them from the wood on the campfire. All right, let's pull these off and give them a try. So just a quick recap. So what we did is we have some wings that we cooked over a campfire. We got the campfire going, so the flame tips are just to the bottom of the grate. Put our wings on, coated them with the Smoke Midwest jalapeno garlic. Wait for them to get nice and crispy on one side, flip them over, give them another shot of the jalapeno garlic, and this is the result. Man, they look good. This one's got my name all over it. It's got crispy skin. Let's give it a shot. Man, it's good. A little bit of the kick from the jalapeno garlic. Really tastes the garlic and jalapeno. Some char from the fire. Man, it's good. If you haven't tried these, you got to give them a try. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and comment, and also subscribe to the channels. We'll be doing videos like this all summer long. See you soon.